Step 1. Add Smart Spreadsheet to your dashboard. The Smart Spreadsheet dashboard widget is added in the same way as any other widget, native or third-party. Click the Add Widget button and find it by searching for its name. Import local data from Excel. Navigate to Menu File Import and add existing data from Excel. No extra boards are needed to keep this data in your Monday account, as it can be used directly in your spreadsheet and referenced in further calculations. Step 3. Import your Monday board data. Navigate to Menu File Import Board to add live board data. The imported data remains synchronized both ways. Step 4. Calculate metrics using spreadsheet formulas. You can use familiar Excel formulas to perform various calculations and reference other sheets as needed. For example, here we use the VLOOKUP function to combine board data with reference data. If needed, the resulting column can be pushed to the original board and bound to it. Step 5. Analyze data with pivot tables and charts. You can switch the Smart Spreadsheet widget to full screen mode for better visibility, then select the required data range and insert a pivot table just as you would in Excel. The setup is very similar. Simply drag and drop filters, row and column labels, and value fields with the desired aggregation. As a final step, you can visualize your live pivot table by creating a chart with equally intuitive settings. As a result, you can build multiple tabs with summarized and visualized data, all within a single widget.